In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept an AnyDesk request step by step so you can safely allow someone to connect to your computer when needed. This is useful if you're getting remote support from a friend, coworker, or technician, and you want to make sure you understand what you're approving before the session starts. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AnyDesk on your computer and make sure the app is running properly. You can find it in your desktop shortcuts, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once AnyDesk is open, leave it on the main screen and wait for the other person to connect. Now, when someone enters your AnyDesk address and clicks Connect, a connection request will appear on your screen. This pop-up is what tells you that someone is trying to access your device. In the request window, you'll usually see the remote user's AnyDesk address, their username if they have one set, and the permissions they are asking for. Before you accept anything, take a moment to review those permissions carefully. This is the most important part, because AnyDesk may ask for different levels of access depending on what the other person needs. Common permissions can include viewing your screen, controlling your mouse and keyboard, transferring files, or accessing the clipboard. If you only want someone to view your screen, make sure the request matches that. If they are asking for more access than you expect, pause and double check before continuing. This is also a good time to ask yourself whether you trust the person making the request. Only accept a connection if you know who it is and you are comfortable with the level of access being requested. Remote access is convenient, but you should always stay in control of who is connected to your device. Once you've reviewed everything and you're happy with the request, simply click Accept. As soon as you do that, the remote session will begin immediately. The other user will now be able to access your computer based on the permissions you allowed. If you accepted screen viewing only, they'll just be able to look. If you allowed control, they'll be able to use your mouse and keyboard as well. If at any point something doesn't look right, you do not have to accept the request. You can always decline it and wait for a verified contact or support agent to try again. It's always better to be cautious than to give access too quickly. And that's it. You now know how to accept an AnyDesk request safely and confidently. It only takes a few seconds, but checking the permissions first can make a huge difference. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.